Hello everyone, Vin here from RC Bashers, and I'm basically doing a quick unboxing video while my wife is out, as she doesn't know about this truck, but I couldn't resist. It's my second Arrma car, had to be done. Enjoying the Kraton so much, the driving style, everything else, even though it broke. But yeah, still loving the truck, and my repair job seems to be holding out. So I decided, along with a friend of mine who will be bringing another truck, which we will be unboxing very soon as well, I decided to get myself one of these. Here it is. Yeah, so basically, I think I've got some sort of problem. I can't stop buying cars, but there's so many good cars out at the moment. Why not? That's what I'm thinking to myself. This one, great price. We bought the Notorious 6S. It's a really competitive price, and I was in the model shop today in Steve Webb's in Frodsham, and I basically couldn't resist. You'll have to excuse all the mess around there in the workshop, I'm afraid. We've been building jumps and varnishing and all sorts of stuff in here, so we're a little bit messy at the moment. But anyway, so there's the car. Let's. I've had it out already, well, not the car, but I've had the cellophane off and stuff inside just to check it in the model shop. But we're going to open it now, and this is a brand new Notorious 6S. Very exciting. So here we go. Let's pull this off. And chuck that there. And there it is. Look at that. I've basically bought this colour because I feel like it matches the colour of my car. The colour is just beautiful. I'm going to buy another one of these straight away to keep as a shell that does not get damaged, because I do not want to damage this shell. I think that is just one of the most good looking shells I've ever seen. So anyway, so yeah, so we got the 6S. What comes in the box here? You get a load of stuff in the box. Well, they look like sort of towers and stuff. I don't know what they all are, but anyway. But you obviously get some stickers and the instructions. So we'll be using them on the remote and stuff. So yeah, let's get it out and have a look at it. Right, so let's just see how we can do this. Oh, there we go, that looks nice and easy. Right. Try and get this off. Ooh. Right. Let's just pick that up. Wow. Chuck it on there. There it is. Very cool. So yeah, like I say, you know, it's a bit more of a stunt truck. I have got the E-Revo, but I wanted to have something Arrma as well. I also just bought the Traxxas Max, which, although I love it and it's a great car, great for sort of speed, wheelies and turning and stuff, this one just has that slightly bigger sort of, you know, what's the word? You know, slightly bigger stance basically, and it's better for where I go in the forest and stuff, and also off the ramps. I think this one's going to have better suspension with it being a stunt truck. So let's see what it can do when we take it down to the ramp. But yeah, just look at that colour, man. Oh man, it's beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous. So yeah, so we've got the Kraton 8S, and now we decided to get one of these. So I think that'll be it for the collection for a little while. But definitely looking forward to take this thing out today. We're just going to wait for Cameron, who will be bringing down his new truck as well. Very, very exciting day. I'll give you a clue, it's an Arrma truck. Not too dissimilar from this one. It should be here any minute. Right guys, I can hear my missus is home, so I'm quickly going to hide this box in the Kraton 8S box. So let's get it in, quick. Look at that. Oh, let's just lift it up a bit. There we go, look at that. She'll never know. She'll never know. We've hidden that just here for now. But we'll come back to that in a minute. We're still waiting for Cameron. Oh God, the towel. Let's get
Today, ladies and gentlemen, I've got a cold.
Yeah.
But because RC Bash is so enthusiastic about RC bashing, we went out and bought new cars anyway.
Yeah.
Ready?
I'm ready. Just be careful with them in here. That'll be my house you're setting on fire.
Let's unveil all my cars as you know like to live inside the towel.
And here's the other new beast.
Known as the Arrma Outcast 6S. It is absolutely freezing. Right.
We bought this, guys. I've not mentioned this to him. We bought this hoping that I'd be able to use this with both my Arrma cars, but it seems it doesn't work with that Notorious because it's not got the right transmitter in or whatever it's called.
So we do this.
We've got to buy a new one of them for that straight away. And it won't work with the Kraton 8S. God knows why. If anyone has linked one of them with a Kraton 8S, we can get the steering to work and everything, but when it comes to the accelerator, it just will not work.
Are we ready for the first turn on?
It's a DX5C. Trying to get it to work with the Arrma Kraton 8S.
First turn on.
If not, that'll have to go back and be returned. But it's a
First
shame because I
turn
want to use this thing. It looks cool. Again. You can just chuck it out whenever you want. No. Right, let's go and hit a jump now. That is cool. Right, ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, lovely. Look at mine just wheeling down the road. Oh, and there's a rock there, be careful. There's a big rock. Oh, nice save, Conrad. Oh, there's a jump here, babe. Yes, go on, do a few more of them. Coming through. Yes. Oh, there goes my shell. Don't hit that bit. Oh, my baby blue. My baby blue. Watch my cars in the middle, don't. I'll put it, I'll just leave it. I'll put it behind you there in the box. Right, Al. Right.
See that out.
See Uncle Cameron demonstrating his intelligence level. Is yours the battery? Yeah. Yeah, both of them have come out of there. Watch the root, don't hit the root.
Let's see if we have compass mentis.
You will.
Did we get that on camera?
No, I don't think so. No. You went past us and crashed so fast. It all happened within an instant.
We've had our normal routine. It couldn't have been a faster.
Your bumper's all cracked. Give him a little shock. Arrma tough, Arrma tough.
Right, this Arrma tough.
Arrma tough. Go on, do it, let's see it.
Yeah. It's not that easy to go straight, is it? This is what I mean, this is what I did. It's hard. There's a massive hole there. Right, let's get you coming in on the cross.
Yeah, you get
Don't.
caught up in the water. Like the water's dragging
Well, there's no way I caught that. I mean, it just zipped back.
I don't want to have to take the chance. I don't want to do it. That is powerful. There it goes, coming back. It's like a break. That water's like a little break for you. Wheelie off, get the feet up on the wheel. This hill's really hard, but some of the other cars can get up it. Oh!